This is Jane. Does her frustration look familiar to you? Struggling with a big and heavy power bank? We have the perfect solution. Meet the all-new Pixy Mini, the world's most powerful power bank for its size, even with a form factor smaller than a credit card. It features ultra-fast 20-watt power delivery and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, allowing you to fast charge all your mobile devices. Let's see Pixy Mini in action. iPad Pro? No problem. MacBook Air? Sure. Pixy Mini offers a modern, pocketable charging solution that not only connects you to people, but also the future. The last thing you want on a run is a power bank weighing you down. With Pixy Mini, you won't even realize it's there. Always running out of a battery while playing your favorite game? Pixy Mini to the rescue. Double your game time, double the fun. Forget the wait and enjoy the moment. Let's get back to Jane with her heavy and enormous power bank. Don't you think it's time for a change? With the all-new Pixy Mini, you can forget those struggles and enjoy the moment. Transform your life's experiences today to the next level. Pixy Mini comes in 3 fun colors for every situation. What's more, it is equipped with multi-layer safety protection to ensure the highest safety standard so you can use it with peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Its integrated smart chip provides fast and safe charging by auto-regulating the optimal power for your devices so you can get the fastest charging speed every time. Back us today and help us connect, transform, and elevate your portable charging experience. Futurista.